you balance. Look at that! She's going to be riding her bike by next summer. She's only 3. It's hard to get back up. Okay. I know, you're doing so good. It's like I'm drunk. Go down that hill, girl. Pick up your feet. Joe's playing here. You want to play for a minute?